waiting for you and the power you possess.
Happy Halloween! Welcome to Yummy Cooking with Payshintz. Today we have a special treat for you. We are gonna make Wonder Woman Jello cups. And this one is gonna be fun, it's gonna be easy, and it's gonna be Wonder Woman delicious. And not only that, we have some trick-or-treat trivia games with you to play. All right, now let's get started. Now I have a trivia trick-or-treat question for you. What magical weapons does Wonder Woman use? There's 3, so watch to the end of this and I will have all the answers to our trivia questions today. We're gonna start making our Jello cups with Blueberry gelatin. We're gonna use hot water first, and I'm gonna use about 3/4 cup of hot water. Put that in there. Wow, look how blue that is. It smells so good. It smells like a blueberry popsicle. I'm gonna keep stirring with my Wonder Woman powers. Looks good. Now we want to cool it off because we want our gelatin to start to cool down so we can start shaping. So you're gonna need about a 1/2 cup of ice water. Here I have some ice water. Make sure it's cold. You have a 1/2 cup here. Pour it in your blueberry gelatin. And you want to stir it. Now that we added our cold ice water into our gelatin, everything has been dissolved. And we kind of want to cool it down before we start moving on to our next. Our blueberry gelatin has cooled down a bit. Now I'm going to set our Jello cups with the first color. I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of the blue gelatin. And you know what time it is? It's time for our next trivia question. What is the name of the actress that played Wonder Woman in the 70s sitcom TV show? Hopefully I got you guys all thinking. Now we want them to firm up and get hard. So we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for 90 minutes. It has been 90 minutes and our blueberry gelatin has set. It's time for the yellow gelatin. So we're gonna make that basically it's the same way how we made the blue. We wanna put 3/4 cup of hot water. And with a lot of these recipes, the ones that we have today, if you would like to put some vodka in here, you can. But today, I'm just making a dessert without alcohol. It's time to add a 1/2 cup of cold water. I'm gonna cool this one down. Color's so pretty. All right, our trick-or-treat question. Ding, 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 ding. What type of comic character is Wonder Woman? Thinking about it? Right. Now, while you're thinking about it, it's time to layer our lemon gelatin in our cup. Again, same amount. You want to use 3 tablespoons of lemon. Okay, I filled up our second layer with our lemon gelatin. And now we're gonna put these in the refrigerator also for 90 minutes. Our lemon gelatin has now been set. So now it's time for our cherry gelatin. We're gonna use the same process again. All right, now we're gonna take our Jello desserts to the refrigerator and for 90 minutes, let them set in. It's been 90 minutes and our Wonder Woman Jello desserts have been set. Now we're gonna top it off with some whipped cream. Now I'm going to use our red sugar sprinkles. I'm going to just sprinkle the top presentation. So you have the red, the white, and the blue. Blueberry. It's now time for our Wonder Woman Jello dessert treat. Look at that. Here we have our Wonder Woman layers of color, our blue, our gold, our red, topped with our creamy whipped cream red, white, and blue. Let's give this Wonder Woman Jello dessert a try. Wow, this Wonder Woman Jello dessert is delicious. So if you want to try a quick, simple, and fun Wonder Woman Jello dessert, try my recipe. And please leave comments down below. All right, everyone, have a safe and happy Halloween. I'll see you next time.
Wonder Woman, Wonder Woman. All the world is waiting for you and the power you possess. In your satin tights, fighting for your rights, and the old red, white, and blue.